Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Tonight we're here at the historic Hannah House in Indianapolis, Indiana, and this is the first year in a long time they've brought the haunted house back. The tour starts off inside, a little bit of historical haunting stories, and then we're gonna go out back, and that's where the real scary stuff is. So without further ado, let's go in here and get some scares.
You've been waiting? Oh God.
Good evening, and welcome to the historic Hannah House. Tonight, you will be discovering the mysteries that lie within these walls. We're always asked, is this place really haunted? We want you to decide that for yourself. But keep your eyes, ears, and noses open, because you never know what might reach out from beyond.
Noses? Yeah, I know you know all about. Oh,
wonderful.
Thank you.
I love it.
Oh my God, this is cool.
This is beautiful.
As you step into the green entrance hall, you may have noticed the cool air that floats through the air that whispers the secrets of the dead. Follow me. The dead makes no exceptions to the places it visits inside this home. Once, a house manager witnessed a tablecloth fly across the room as if someone had thrown it. Very often, lights will flicker, voices are heard, and batteries are instantly drained. Follow me.
Uh-oh.
What was that?
Voices in the closets.
In this room, people have felt a touch on their back, their head, and even on their neck. Up here is Hazel, her chilling post-mortem picture. Keep your eyes on her, as she will keep her eyes on your every move. Follow me.
Oh, that one wasn't there a second ago.
In the parlor here, a worker had came in from a weary day of work outside and wanted to take a nap. He laid down on that couch, only to be awakened by being shaken and his chest being pounded on. He was the only one that was alive in the home at that time. Follow me.
The only one alive?
People have seen a woman walking back and forth on that porch out there. A volunteer was here one day and saw a man standing at the top of the stairs wearing a top hat. We believe that may have been Mr. Hannah. As you ascend the stairs, hold on to the handrails, as the wooden steps are worn from the countless souls who have traveled through this home. Continue on your journey.
Good evening.
Hello.
As you may have noticed, the air is a little bit heavier. You may smell perfume or Mr. Hannah's cigars, or you may even feel like there are unseen eyes watching your every move. As you take a look into Grandma's bedroom here, please be prepared for a possibly chilling encounter with a woman who did not like to have her things touched. Oftentimes from the courtyard, a woman has been seen looking out this very window, staring out into the distance. Others have reported to see objects moved by a ghostly hand, while others have reported to see a woman sitting on this bed crying and rocking a baby in her arms. The attic here seems to hold the secrets of the souls who once inhabited this home. Those who've been brave enough to ascend these stairs have reported seeing small, shadowy shapes that flit from corner to corner. Others have heard children laughing and children crying. We have an EVP from the attic. Would everyone like to hear it?
Sure.
Listen closely.
Play it
You
again.
can hear a woman say, "Where is my mommy?" Follow
Ooh.
me this way into Mr. Hannah's study.
There's Kelly in there.
Here in Mr. Hannah's study, many have reported to smell tobacco smoke. Others have felt a faint touch on their shoulder, and some have felt cold spots while walking throughout the room. As you guys continue your descent into the bowels of the home, you may feel the presence of those who once lost their lives while waiting for their escape on the Underground Railroad. Many have reported to smell smoke, but some have even reported to feel the heat of the flames that took these lives and bound their souls to the home forever. As you guys make your way
Uh-oh.
down the secret stairs, I need you to do me
Oh,
a favor and watch your step.
that's cool.
And say hello to my friend who likes to hide.
Uh-oh. Tammy?
The secret stairs.
That's so cool.
Oh, my blessed wretched souls. Oh, the Father will be so happy that you're here. He's been expecting. Oh,
Is that good or bad? Oh.
don't be too careful on the stairs. We want you to join us permanently.
You think that's the big
She made it.
They're coming, Father.
Oh, God.
Oh, crap.
This is where
Oh, crap. It's real. Right.
Trespassers! Leave this place! Only death awaits beyond these walls! A curse upon all of you!
Oh, don't do that. No cursing.
Years of all of you and your bloodlines!
What was that shadow?
Leave
step down.
this place now!
This is creepy. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Uh-oh. No, thank you. I'm good. I'm good. I don't need any of that. Oh, gosh. Oh, my. I don't know what that is. Oh. Oh, that's Freddy.
Oh, it's a Freddy.
Uh-oh. No. Oh, God. I'm not going to go to sleep then. Oh, gosh.
Oh, we're going outside.
We are.
Oh, this is never good.
What? Oh, there's
Dark
something down
sketchy
there.
tunnel.
Oh, it's moving.
It's coming towards you.
It's Barbie!
It is. It's cannibalistic Barbie.
Oh. Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
I don't think she liked that.
Oh. No?
Oh, God. She's got some lungs.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh, fudge.
What is that?
I don't effing know.
The droning of an engine.
Oh, wow.
Oh, God.
I think you got
He
it.
made a mess.
Yeah.
He got it.
The Deadites are down there. Don't let them out.
Oh, there's more Deadites. Oh, reaching out. Oh, God.
The question is, are they ghosts?
I don't feel very
That was
secure.
double sides.
Oh,
That was another screamer. Uh-oh. It kind of looks that way, Tammy. Oh, no.
I don't like it.
Help me!
No.
That's Leatherface. There's a Barbie doll.
Oh, no.
Leatherface almost got us.
He
Oh,
ain't
God.
freaking messing around. Uh-oh.
Where did you come
Figure,
from?
Jason.
Oh.
Oh.
That one's a zombie.
Oh, my. Oh, my.
Okay, we go this way. Right here?
With your grave.
Oh, okay.
Which one do you want?
This don't look good at all.
Fresh one?
Why are you pointing at me?
The other one's over
We want one of them wooden
I'll
ones
take one
over
of these
there.
ones.
Plenty of room for you.
Oh,
I'll take it.
Please come on, get in with me.
I don't know.
Yeah.
That doesn't look like a good time. Uh-oh. You must
Probably
have come out
now.
of one of those.
definitely.
You did not.
What's your name?
It's Tammy.
Hi, Tammy.
Yeah, that's
Hi.
Tammy.
Wanna play a game?
I sure do.
Come join the puppet show!
Ooh, okay. What is that?
I don't have any. None? No.
They took him up front.
Just put it on
There's
my
our
tab.
ticket.
You got a ticket?
Yeah. It worked. It worked.
Cotton candy. Cotton candy.
Hide and seek?
Popcorn or cotton candy?
I'm gonna go.
Yes.
I'm gonna vote
Yes.
for that bone over there.
Popcorn.
Yeah.
Popcorn. Oh, God. Oh, God.
Hello there. Yeah.
Step right up and welcome to Carnival.
Carnival? All right.
Oh, are you filming a movie about me?
Yeah.
Is it the one where I bang your head against this?
No.
I think so.
No.
I think so. So you guys put an autograph
Oh my God, these are awesome. There's a killer clown in his face.
Go fuck down, Rob! Go fuck down! Go fuck down!
You made a mess. You got a mess.
Art's been busy. Art's been busy.
Very busy. Oh, shoot. No, they got some creepy clowns. Run, Tracy. Tammy.
Nope.
Coming back for you.
Oh God, it's her.
It's the cannibalistic Barbie.
All right, guys, well, that was the haunting at the Hannah house. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this haunt, we got a bunch more we're going to here in Indianapolis. I got one link for you right here. I will see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.